What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name's Nate. I'm right here with Jesse and Chris. Today's video we're going to be going over the high lift jack, and we're even going to be giving one away. Stay tuned. Alright guys, what's up? It's Nate. Got Chris right here. We're going to be going over the high lift jack. Basically just how to, so you know what you're doing in case you ever need it. Basically what you want to do, so the way the jack works is it's got the base on it and you can slide this up wherever you need to put it. You have this pin right here, goes up to get the jack to move up. It's a slow process, but it gets going. And then when you want to go down, you basically just push down and you slowly creeps back down.
Just a warning, have rock sliders. If you have side steps, it won't work. You'll damage your sliders or your side steps and your rocker panel. But in order to jack the truck up, make it a little bit quicker, is pull this up to your slider. Keep your hand in between your vehicle and the high lift just to keep it from smacking into it, and then what you do is you slowly start jacking it up, and then once you start getting the pressure under it, your jack is pretty much stable. You don't have to keep your hand in there, because if anything fails, well, there goes your fingers or your hand. And never put your head in between this and do this. Very dangerous. Always to the side. I'm not going to jack mine all the way up, primarily because I don't have the adapter for sliders for a high lift. That's pretty much how to use it.
Action!
And then to lower the vehicle off the high lift, this pin thing, smack it down.
Just take note, you got to bring up that lever all the way up. If you don't bring it up all the way up, it won't go down. So just take note of that. And if you could tell, we put a glove over the top. That's just to protect the paint. So if you guys have some type of cloth or anything like that, you could always do that as well. And there it is.
Alright. Action. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, you know we're going to be giving this high lift jack away. Basically they're going to tell you how to do that.
We're also going to be giving away the Rizo Fabrications high lift jack mounts that fit into the factory bed rails or any kind of channel system, I believe, for the most part.
So to me, to be honest, it's going to be a pretty good giveaway. Like he said, he's going to be giving away the mounts, and he's going to be giving away this right here. So if you guys do want to enter, it's going to be in the description box below. If you guys can, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And please make sure to go follow them both on Instagram. Their Instagrams are in the description box below, as always. So if you guys can, please make sure to do that. Go enter in this giveaway. It's really awesome, and it's seriously worth it.
Is this light weird?
A little bit.
Jacket's off.
Well,
Ready?
I'm just going to take the big jacket off.
I'm going to take my pants off too. Yeah.
Alright, it's recording, so whenever you're ready.
Alright guys. Okay guys, when you're jacking up off of your sliders, if you're cool enough to have some. Ooh. Oh! Have them at all. Mine has it. Yeah. Brain fart.